No way, I just fucking died. I'll go get another key. At least that was the fucking, I don't know, that was such a throw. Definitely have to hold on to my fucking P-neck, and just in case both birds want to fucking max hit on me. Uh, Someone trying to make money to bond their irons? Oh. My friends, I believe another streamer, rather not say, going back to the main accounts because bonds are extremely high at the moment. How much are they? They're like 12 mil? Oh yeah, nice fucking nice rope and crossbow. Way to waste all your teleports for the day. Man, I'm doing some really shitty grinds lately. Fuck this bird. I'm only looking forward to maybe the hard tops. You get crossbows from Lieta, which I have to go buy some more. I mean, this hilt should have dropped a long ass time ago. Pretty much full inventory, so I have to just rebank. Uh, Where the ring? And then waste more teleports. Oh, it's a league world? Oh my god, these are all league worlds. Oh my god. I think that's what I'll probably do is do the daily Kriara, the 5 key guy, show up between 2 to 4. So they need someone down there to at least, you know, open the door. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. guy show up between 2 to 4. So they need someone down there to at least, you know, open the door. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Guy show up between 2 to 4. So they need someone down there to at least, you know, open the door. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Guy show up between 2 to 4. So they need someone down there to at least, you know, open the door. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I mean, I don't know. If I'm already gonna get the first 5 keys anyways on stream, I might as well just like keep going back and forth and just getting more, doing more trips of Kree and just brute and just kind of like spamming the content so we can just be done with it. Versus only doing like 5 daily keys, which will take way longer. I was gonna go. I need something here. What do I need? Oh, the crossbow. Yeah. Just use my 5k key shards. Wish. And don't forget, alright, back on this world, good. Okay, let's try this again. Enoch might have despawned over by now. Oops. Hope Giants does something about the CCTV in the Wildy. Yeah, no, that's pretty bad. That is pretty bad.